Hey guys, and today we're making a paper crane, and look, we made a paper crane right here. Wait, let's get started.
Wait guys!
What?
Well, I have to show you something. This is the after paper crane. You see this crane right here? It's a little dragon type of crane. So yeah, hope you make this one, not Rafi's.
But this is more better, it's blue. Okay, so let's fold the paper crane. I remember the paper crane has to get folded right here. Okay, it's folded. You need to fold the other side right here. Well, that's good music. Yeah, I thought I put it in. Okay. Did it or something? Just try. You must bend these the beak so I can make a paper crane. Try to do that. And then do that. Okay, that's a phone. We don't need to care about that. And that's it. We made our paper crane. Let's make a heart in paper crane in 1 second. Let me show you. I'll make it in 1 second. No, I don't know. Like 10 seconds. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. I almost got it. And got it. And then got it. And then got it. There. I made another paper crane. Like these. And also get this black paper